The City of Love, Iloilo City, welcomes BRP Melchora Aquino, MRRV-9702. This is the second part of my first vlog. The BRP Melchora Aquino is the second ship of her class of patrol vessels operated by the Philippine Coast Guard. The service officially classifies her as a multi-role response vessel. At almost 97 meters long, she is one of the largest and most modern vessels of the PCG. The vessel has a length of 97 meters and has a beam of 12 meters and cost 14.55 billion yen for 2 units. The speed is 25 knots or 44 km per hour maximum sustained, and the armament is to be determined. It is launched last November 18, 2021 and just acquired this year on May 22nd. Last June 12, 2022, the Philippine Coast Guard officially commissioned into service the BRP Melchora Aquino, a multi-role response vessel. The vessel has a helideck and hangar that can accommodate the helicopter of the PCG. It also has a hyperbaric chamber for those who have diving sickness and a survivor room that can accommodate those who will be rescued. The image of the MRRV shows space between the water cannons on the bow of the ship and then the bridge, and it may be possible that the ship will have weapons on board in the future. Give high respect to our Philippine Coast Guard. As Ilonggo, we are honored that the Philippine Coast Guard visit our city and show the beauty of their newly and modernized ship. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Barko ng Republika ng Pilipinas, Melchora Aquino, MRRV-9702, in our Port San Pedro, Iloilo City port area. shout out to all the Coast Guard of BRP Melchora Aquino.